Analyses and reports can be created in the Testo cloud of a Wi-Fi data logger Testo160. An analysis of the measurement values can be carried out via the menu item Analysis and Reports, Data Analysis. First, select the logger or loggers, as well as the period. Then you can filter according to the various measurement parameters. The measurement results can be displayed optionally either in a graph or in a table. Using the export function, the analysis can be exported and saved either as a PDF file or as a CSV file. In the context of the advanced license, the Testo cloud offers the option of generating automatic reports. To access the corresponding menu, go via the button Analysis and Reports, Automatic Reports, and click on Create an Automatic Report. First, define a name for the report. Then select the following parameters one after the other: the logger or loggers, the channel, the reporting interval, the report format, and the data views. Finally, click on Create an Automatic Report. The report now appears in the overview.